What are the magic words to manifest, to bend reality, to get everything you want in life? And the words that have been hidden from people long time ago that are actually in the Bible. I want to share to you how can you transform your life and actually get the life of your dreams. And if you need any coaching, my information is in the description in the video. Please like this video so more people can find my work and start to transform. My name is Nancy and my passion is to help people to transform their lives by destroying and releasing their problems in the seed level and the metaphysical plane so the problem doesn't happen or come back again. If you can get the words to manifest absolutely everything you want, because the first thing that happened when the universe was created was the word. What can you do to use your words? Why sometimes people use their words and nothing happened, and sometimes they use their words and destroy their own life? I am not a religious person, but I can understand a lot of things that happen in the Bible, because the problem that we've been having, it's been happening from biblical times. When God creates specifically humans, it gives you free will, because not even angels have no free will. Oh, I want to be an angel, and angels have no free will. Men have, and even angels were jealous because men have free will. But in the moment people decide to make 3D or physical reality their God, they kick out God from themselves. God never kicked out anyone from heaven. People kicked out their God essence from themselves because I want to do it my way. I want to do it my way. And we see people struggling for years until they hit rock bottom, and then they let it go. Okay, my ego is not working now. Please, God, help me. Nothing wrong with that. Because another mistake people do is, people, God help me, and then they open their eyes, things start to get a little bit better, and then they go back to do it their way with their ego. It doesn't work that way either. We have to follow that source that is making everything easy for us. You don't want to get to that point yet. Many people need to get to that point to remove their ego from their life. It can be a traumatic divorce, it can be a horrible disease, it can be ended up in the hospital, an accident, losing their family, a catastrophe, a love life, losing their money, either with the wife or because his business partner stole his money. Something will happen that will push people to get to that point. Oh, why people is so bad? These people is so bad. He's very slutty and has a lot of money and do this and that. You don't know how what karma is paying. Maybe he or she has money because it's paying karma. So we need to really not let ourselves be blinded by what we see. What is the reality behind that? So when people hit rock bottom is when we say, oh God, please help me. And then the magical words that we've been missing. First, seek the kingdom of heaven and the rest will be added to you, whatever is your desire. But why first seek the kingdom of heaven? Remember, in the beginning I say people kicked out their God essence, because God is not outside in the church. God is not outside in some whatever place. He's inside you. You need to welcome again that God essence. Then you are connected with that kingdom of heaven, which is your God essence. And then that thing is going to be added to you because you are source. And this is where people miss the thing, because we have the ego, we want to do it ourselves, we want to believe we are bigger than the system of the universe, and then people just ended up in worse situations. What is the key from all those billionaires who are successful in harmony, not people who is stealing from others, people that I actually admire because they are so connected? The answer is always the same. I put God first. Not the God that is outside, the God inside them. Connect with the kingdom of heaven is going to be different for everybody, and it's going to be start to be with mental and emotional internal peace. Because a lot of the times, most people cannot really go beyond where they are because they keep punishing themselves because they did this, they did that, the guilt, the resentment against themselves, against others, because they are putting, again, 3D dimension, another person as their God. Oh, I can only be millionaire when he or she invests in my company. You are putting again that power outside. That's an illusion. That investor is an illusion. Who is gonna send that money in the first place through that person? Don't put people, don't put that man, don't put that woman, don't put the money, don't put the investors, don't put the president, don't put anyone in the place where your God essence is. Don't try to force the illusion, the 3D, the 1%, to give you what you are denying yourself inside yourself. Connect with the kingdom of heaven. The first thing that is going to happen, you're going to start to feel that this beautiful energy coming through you. It's going to create a lot of serenity, mental peace, tranquility, certainty. You will start to feel good. For this, you may need some help. You don't need to come with me, but go with someone who really knows about these kind of things and is not gonna use these contrasting situations of good and bad, evil or whatever. That is gonna actually set you free from where you are. Because there is already a version of yourself living the life of your dreams. As long as you keep holding on this reality you don't want, you need to let it go. Until you don't let go that, you connect with that kingdom of heaven or your God essence. The other reality is not gonna show up because you are putting all your attention in something you don't want. Why not to put all your attention in the things you really want? It's gonna require a little bit of effort, a little bit of awareness to catch yourself when you are going back to the thing you don't want and go to get the thing that you really want. I hope it's not confusing you because explaining this in a short video is going to be impossible, but I hope you get the sense. Connect with the kingdom of heaven is connect with your God essence, and that doesn't mean you have to do it. You need to allow that energy to do it for you. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you so much for giving me your time and your attention, and as always, I wish you a day full of miracles. I will see you next time. Bye bye.